Hello beautiful unicorns, and welcome back to my channel and this video where we are gonna swatch and talk about the new collection from Looxi Beauty, which is called Doll Hause. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Looxi Beauty is an indie brand that I absolutely love. I have featured them a lot of times on my channel. I do receive PR from Looxi though, so this collection was sent to me in PR, but I'm always very honest with you when it comes to PR, and if I don't like PR, I'll let you know. Because there's absolutely no point in me telling you that I like something that I don't like, because like your trust is worth more than getting some free eyeshadows. I hope you understand that. I am affiliated with Looxi though, so if you order from Looxi and you want to save 10%, you can use my code, which is Angelica10. I will leave that down in the description box. If you don't feel comfortable using an affiliate code, just don't. I mean, nobody's forcing you to use the code, but using affiliate codes of YouTubers that you trust and like is the absolute easiest way to support them if you want to like support me being able to buy more things from you and stuff like that. I don't make a lot of money, but I do make a small commission if you use my code. This collection, I'm gonna read off how rude. I'm gonna read off the paper she sent me because when it comes to numbers, I can't remember numbers to save my life. So when there's a lot of numbers, I'm just like, what? This collection is being released on January 26th, which is tomorrow. So I'm trying to get this video up and this look today so that you can have a peek at these. If you want to order something, I always like seeing some live swatches and close-up swatches before I order anything, and I want to see like moving swatches. That helps me a lot, and to see how the shadows works on the eyes. So this is not a review, this is just me showing you the collection so you can see what it looks like before it's being released, and also me doing a look with the shadows so you can see how they look. It is being released, like I said, tomorrow the 26th, 11 AM CST or 9 AM PST. Usually the Looxi collections do sell out at the first release, so if you want to get your hands on these, you might have to set your alarm. She always does restock though, and she always tells you on her Instagram when she's doing her restocks, and I try to remember to tell you as well, because there's always people wanting to buy some things that are out of stock, because Looxi is a very popular brand. She is going to sell these as a bundle because these are 12 single shadows, 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. They are $5 each, and then you can get 10% off with the code. And I think the bundle is 12 shadows for 60, and then you can use a code on that. Is that a discount? Wait, let me check. No, that's not a discount. And normally her bundles aren't discounted. It's just a way for you to be able to get all the colors at once if you want to do that. But like $5 each for a shadow, and then you can get 10% out of that. They are pretty inexpensive, and I love Looxi eyeshadows. Like I said, there are 6 shimmers and 6 mattes, and why is there... I see it. Go away. And I've used a bunch of these on my eyes, and I'm trying to get this video with this look up at the same time as these swatches. Sometimes I do a demo afterwards, but then the video just ends up being so long. So instead I thought I'd do 2 videos, so if you don't want to see the look, you just don't have to see the look, and if you only want to see the look, then you don't have to see this video, and you won't even be hearing this, so why am I telling you? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna swatch all of these, and I have filmed some close-ups so that we can have a peek at what these shadows look like. The first shadow might be my favorite shadow in the whole collection. It is called Dreamboat. It is a shimmery light blue, and this one has like shimmer particles in it, which makes it very multi-dimensional. It's like a blue with like blue shimmers in it. It is very pretty. It's what I have in my inner corners, and this is very unique because I haven't seen something this pale blue and this metallic, and also with the light blue and light teal like shimmer particles in it. It's very cool. I was actually really impressed to see that color up front, up close, because when I saw her pictures on her Instagram, it didn't like prepare me for how beautiful Dreamboat is. This is Boss Babe. And it is like it has got the same consistency as the other one. It has some glitter particles in it. It is like a rose gold, but this one has a lot of like micro gold shimmer in it, and it really does transfer. Like, it is super beautiful. If you're into rose gold, you're gonna love Boss Babe. It's beautiful. Next one is the one I have all over my lid. This is called Moneymaker. It is a green shimmer, and this is very shimmery, and it's... I mean, I think that this is beautiful. I like I really like this, and when you see the close-up, you're gonna see how bright, like, leaf green this is. I think this is really pretty, and this is the one I have on my lid, and I always love a good green shimmer. Next color is a really pretty color as well. It's called Hot Dish. This isn't exactly what I would go for, but I have to say that when swatching it, I was really surprised because this is like a... Why did I pick this shirt today? White long sleeved shirt when swatching. I did not think that through. But this is like it has a slight duochrome to it, not a strong duochrome, but it's like a warm yellow gold and then like a burnt orangey rose gold. I'm not describing this very good, but it's really warm, but it has a bit of a peach tint to it. And also it does flash a bit gold depending on how you look at it. It is really beautiful, and if you're into warm eyeshadows and you want to have something shimmer on your lid, this is actually really stunning, and it has a bit of a peachiness to it. It's really pretty. This one is called Dollface, and this one is a very strong duochrome. This is more of a pressed pigment, so this one has a bit of a flakiness to it, and you will need some glitter glue with this one, or just fixing spray, to be honest. But it is absolutely beautiful and dimensional, and I hope you can see that. I'm trying to see in the viewfinder, like, can you see anything? Maybe like this. But I will do some close-ups. But it is very beautiful, but it is a bit flaky, so you will need some kind of mixing medium, Fix Plus, glitter glue, tacky base. You could probably, like, if you go in with like a tacky, like the NYX pencils in milk, those tacky ones, you could probably press this over. But it's gonna need something to stick down, otherwise it's gonna be a bit flaky, I'm just telling you. But it is absolutely beautiful, and you will see that in the close-ups. Blew me away. This is the last one. This is called No Kenny. This is definitely a duochrome. This has a very unexpected purple kick to it. It is like a greenish, it's like a dark base, and then the shimmer, the shimmery tint, it's like a burgundy purple, and then the shift is like a greenish gold. It is very beautiful, and we'll see if I can do something like this so you can see. But let's go into the close-ups of the shimmers, because these are all the shimmers, 6 of them, so you can see how they look with some different lightings. Okay, now we're gonna go into the mattes, and there are 6 mattes. Like there were 6 shimmers, there are 6 mattes, and she said that she wanted to release some more transition colors. And now that I think about it, that is probably a smart move, because a lot of people do use transition shades. I like this one the most for a transition shade though, because it's like that Barbie pink. But so these 4 are more lighter transition shades. One that is a cooler brown, one that is a more khaki brown, one that is a more pink, and one that is a more of a peach tone. The peach tone is one I have under my eyes together with this purple, and then there's 2 more bright mattes, both very beautiful. It is this purple that I have under my eyes together with the peach, and it is this green that I have in my crease on my upper lid. So I'm gonna swatch all of these for you as well, so you can see what they look like. But I mean, swatching mattes isn't always that exciting. So this is the first one, and it's called Self-Made. This is the lightest color, and yeah, I don't even know if you can see this on my skin color. Can you see that a bit? It is like Soft Brown by MAC, but lighter. It has the same like neutral tone. Maybe I can build it up so you can actually see it. Luxi mattes are a bit more densely packed, and I wish you didn't press them as hard. They do work really good with a brush though. I mean, you can see what I did here, and you will see that in the look. But I do wish that she would just press them a little looser. That would be just my preference. This is the one that's more of a khaki transition shade, and this is called Easy on the Eyes. This one had a lot more pigment than I expected when I went in with it. I was like, wow, that's a lot of pigment, but I mean, ain't complaining, that's really pretty. I was just very surprised. This pink one is called Tart, and it is a strawberry milkshake kind of shade. It is very beautiful if you want to do a pink look. I love having a pink for like a transition when I'm doing a pink look, so it is very beautiful. I haven't used it on my eyes yet, but this is the kind of shade that I like start out with look with a lot. This one is called Pretty as a Peach, and this is the one I have under my eyes together with the purple one. And it had a more, as you can see, like a brown peachy undertone. It's really pretty. This is probably the most pigmented out of these that we had now, but I've never had any problems using the Looxi mattes with a brush. It's just that they don't swatch very nicely, and some mattes are like that. This purple one is called La Di Da. I don't really know what that, like, where did that come from? La Di Da. It's like a thing that kids sing in Sweden. I don't really know. It is a pretty purple. It's the one I have under my eyes. It is like a fuchsia purple thing, almost grapey. What is this? The claw. Gotta stop it. And now the last one, which is the khaki color, which is the one that most people were excited about. This is called Socialite. I can't say that. And it is this khaki green, and it is, oh my god, it was so vibrant on the eyes. I am so excited about this color. It is beautiful, so beautiful. Let's get into the close-ups of the mattes so you can see how they look close up. And yeah, that was what all of the shades and my initial thoughts on them. If you want to hear more a thorough review on these, you'll have to give me a little more time because I have to use them a bit more. But initial reaction is that they remind me a lot of how Looxi is before, and I really like the shimmers mostly because I feel like those have the more unique colors. But this khaki green, so pretty, and both of these transition shades are colors that I like to start out looks with, so I'm sure that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of those two. That blue is stunning. So yeah, these remind me a lot of the quality that Looxi usually has, so I'm very impressed with this collection. Do let me know, are you gonna pick it up? Did you have your eyes set on this? I would love to hear from you in the comments, and also if you want to see this look, I think I'll leave it up here in the cards because it is already up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the button is down below. I'd love to have you. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I will see you in my next one, or the one that I just uploaded today. A lot going on this week. Bye!